Hello, it's Simplify Technology. In this guide, I'll show you how to get followers on Threads. But before we start, please consider subscribe to our channel and consider liking the video. Let's follow my steps. Open the Threads app and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on followers at the top left. Go to the following section and tap on the See All button to view the list of accounts you are following on Instagram, but not on Threads. Follow as many people as you can from your Instagram app. This will send a notification to those users that you're following them on Threads. Check the pending section at the top right corner to see the accounts you followed but who haven't seen tab for Threads. Start posting engaging and interesting threads. Tap on the pen and paper icon at the bottom center to create new threads. Share your pictures, comments or thoughts and other exclusive content. Engage with other users' threads by liking, replying and commenting on them. Interact with others and build collaboration. I hope it helps. Please consider subscribe to our channel and please like the video. See you next time.